To everyone, happy day, happy Wednesday to all of us. Thank you, Lord, for giving another day and more blessings. Thank you so much. It's another day already. The weather now is little bit windy. Yeah, and all that's staying outside. Kaya now, I'm just making my, asin ba yung ano ko pala? Magano pala tayo ano tayo ng halaman. Magdilig muna tayo ng halaman. Okay. Dilig muna tayo ng halaman sa ano natin. Thank you again. Thank you to all of us. Thank you also for the new subscriber of mine. When I make live early in the morning, I just wake up already that time, starting for myself to fix it. And so that's why I make also live, at least that it's very silent and no more conversation to make it copy. And thank you some vloggers that are still helping everything that what I have in my beginning and my small channel, that what I have the guts to review vlog. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you for everything, and good luck to the some vlogger that you are belong in the different kind of social media, that you're already in the highest standard. Good luck and keep it up. And also to the beginner, good luck to all of us, especially to all subscribers, supporters, viewers. Dahil sa'yo, because of them, that's why the individual channel that we have is continue growing up. Even we are belong in the different countries already, and we are different people in this earth, living in this earth. Okay, so thank you for my all families in my hometown, and I know that they are already belong in the different social media that they have. And to my uncle outside, to my nanay and tatay, brother, my brother, keep safe soul with your own company, with your own children. And to my sister-in-law, for my younger brother, for my past younger brother, thank you, and good luck for them, for my old nieces, mga apo-apo sa tuhod, mga nis, mga cousins, relatives, ang kanto-angka na nga, sabotage na yan, and my hometown. Ano yung mga childhood. Marami akong kalat pa dito. Di pa kasi nagliligpit. Kasi kaya sinisilid sa mobile ko. I make laundry of my dirty clothes. And now I'm starting. Next is starting to the big balcony when I finish this video of mine. So thank you. The weather is ayan o. Mahangin. Gumagalaw-galaw yung mga tanim. Okay. So once again, thank you talaga. YouTube company, YouTube staff, YouTube mga workers, and YouTube founder that you are belong in the different countries. Or I don't know, maybe just one founder in the different countries you like in the YouTube company. Thank you so much, and good luck and more blessings. Mahangin na siya. Mahangin na kasi August, September pa finish na yung summertime, summer weather. So including starting na for the warm and then winter. So once again, thank you. More blessings at all. I'm repeating na, and I'm repeating to the family and to my employer of my madam and sir, the family of madam, the family of sir, their friends, and to Sisi and our future little baby. So good luck, and thank you for the some blessings that what we have. Thank you very much talaga. And while I'm still continue my journey, while I'm living in this earth, God knows everything. Even we are not knowing each other, even we are only knowing connected in the social media, in our YouTube, in YT, in our different channel that we have, but you are always continue and support and open-minded and open arms. Thank you again, and thank you, and God bless us all, and more blessings. Oh, okay, always yan, now and forever, yan kasama yan lagi sa videos ko, kasi still growing up also. Okay, yala, bye bye.